Good morning, students. Today let us continue with circles problem based on angles, that is of numerical types. Circles numerical problems. This is for 10 Cbse, state and Icse. So here what is given is ABC is a triangle in which I is the incenter of the triangle, or I is the incenter of triangle ABC. You know what do you mean by incenter. I did not explain this, you have learnt in the lower classes itself, right? So one thing is clear, internal bisector means dividing the angle into two equal parts. If you remember that, that is more than enough. Internal bisector means suppose angle is here and this angle, suppose this is 30 degrees, this is also 30 degrees. So PQR, yes, then QS is the internal bisector, angle bisector. QS is the angle bisector. You can say angle bisector. Next, in the given figure, I is the incenter of triangle ABC, and AI when produced meets the circumference, and AI when produced means AI when produced meets the circumference of triangle in D. This is the circumference of triangle. Circle, not circumference, circumcircle means circle which lies outside the triangle ABC. So circumcircle, incircle, there are two words. This is incircle. Circumcircle means, what do you mean by circumcircle? Outside the triangle. So these are the two conditions you should remember. Incircle means circle lying inside the triangle. Circumcircle means circle lying outside the triangle. These two words also you should know. Circumcircle, this is the difference. Incircle means this one. So AI when produced meet the circumcircle of triangle ABC in D if what is given, if angle BAC is 50 degrees, 56 degrees, which is 56 degrees, and angle already I have written BAC 50 degrees, ACB 64 degrees, right? So clearly, did you understand what is the meaning? Angle bisector, I explained what is meant by angle bisector, so it's very clear. Next, angle bisector means dividing the angle into two equal parts. So next, circumcircle and incircle. Incircle means circle lying inside the triangle. Circumcircle means triangle lying outside the triangle. These are the basics. Before doing this problem, you should know these basics. And sum of the angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. Sum of the angles of triangle, you know already, 180 degrees. Next, that's it. And let us solve this problem. They are asking this BAC given, this is given, angle DBC, they are asking this one, ADB, they are asking this one, IBC and BID. So how to do this problem? Let us see. 56 degrees, 64 degrees. Add these two, 6 plus 4, 10, 5 plus 6, 11. So it is 120. 56 plus 64, 120 degrees. So what can you say about this one? It is 60 degrees, right? It is 60 degrees. Are you following what I am saying? Sum of triangles of a triangle, simple basics, 8th standard, 6th class basics. Sum of triangles of a triangle 180. So if this is 56, 64, if this angle, you write down all the steps. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180. So therefore angle B is equal to 180 minus 56, you will get 60 degrees. Now if this is 56 and AI is the angle bisector, so incenter, I is the incenter, therefore this angle is how much? 28 degrees, right? Internal bisector, right? Internal bisector means dividing the angle into two equal parts. Since I is the incenter, you have tried, since I is the incenter divide the angle, I is the incenter. Since I is the incenter, Therefore, what is, since I is the incenter, what can you say? Angle BAI, angle, use the 3 letters formula, BAI is equal to angle CAI. Both are equal to 28 degrees, right? So this one, AI divides the angle into two equal parts. Now in the same way, BI, since I is the incenter and BI, this one bisector, BI is the bisector, divides the angle into two equal parts. So this is 30, this is also 30, 30, right? Simple basics I am applying. Incenter divides the angle into two equal parts. Incenter, right? That means angle bisector. This 28, 28, 30, 30, right? Now, until here, no problem. We have applied all the basics. So now coming to theorems, what we have learned in 10th standard. So you see here, this angle BCA and BDA, they are lying on the same arc, right? They are lying on the same legs, A and B, right? Do you agree with me? BDC, BDA and BCD, right? They are lying on the same legs, A and B. They are lying on the same arc, A and B. See here, now I will join this again, right? They are lying on the same arc. So angles in the same segment of circle are equal. Same segment, that means this is the segment. This is minor, this is major segment. Angle in the same segment of circle are equal. So if this is 64, this is also 64 degrees, right? Next, again look at here, look at my little finger. CAD, angle CAD and angle CBD. CBD, are they lying on the same mark? Yes. See here, CAD, BDC, they are lying on the same mark. Again I will join this. They are lying on the same mark, C and D. Same mark means this one. So therefore, if this angle is 28, this angle is also 28. How to write the steps? You have to write angle BDBC and angle DAC is equal to 28 degrees. Angle like that is equal to 28 degrees. Since they are like, since the angles in the same segment of circle are equal, you have to write that step. I am explaining orally, you should write steps by yourself. Now come back to this problem. DBC, already over no 3 letter, DBC. See here, 28 degrees, this bit is finished. What I am saying, are you following clearly? DBC is finished. Next, ADB, this is also finished. ADB, 64 degrees, this also finished. Next, IBC, use the 3 letters, IBC, 30 degrees, so this also over. Next, BID they are asking, BID. How to do this one, BID? Very simple. Apply this one. IBD is, consider triangle IBD. Sum of three angles of a triangle 180 degrees. So 30 plus 28. So 30 plus 28. Sum of three angles of a triangle. This angle plus this one plus BID. Angle BID is equal to 180 degrees. 30 plus 28 is 8. 58. So 58 plus 64 plus angle BID is equal to 180. So this is how much? 800. 8 plus 4 is 12. 5 plus 7 is 122 plus angle BID is equal to 180 degrees. From this, calculate the value of x. What is the value of x? This one. You simplify this, you will get 58 degrees. Transpose this one, 180 minus 122 is 58 degrees. Or you can say that there is another way of doing. You can consider this triangle or this BID and this one. You see here, this one, this angle, this one. This is 28 degrees, no? This will be double. Okay, it will not come like that. That's it. Okay, leave it. Consider this triangle, there ends the problem. This triangle you consider, hence we found out angle BID. Right? So this is 20 degrees, 56 degrees. Right. Therefore, hence the problem is finished. This is quite simple. I applied what are the properties I applied? 10th class theorems, angles in the same segment, sum of the angles of a triangle I applied. Only that is what I did in this problem. Nothing more about this. So in center basics you should know. Next, let us do another sum. You can go for this. Consider triangle BID. That's it enough. Don't go for other properties. Next, this is also difficult one. Look at this diagram carefully. Here in the given figure, AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter. Since O is the center of the circle, AB is the diameter. Next, with center O, CD is parallel to BA. CD, already I have marked this one. If angle BAC 20 degrees, BAC is 20 degrees, right? Now what they are asking, BAC 20 degrees. Find angle BOC. They are asking this one. Find angle BOC. BOC is how much? Next COD. Next CAD. Next ADC. These are the four conditions they are asking. How to do this one? Angle BOC. BOC. This one. Angle COD. COD. This one. They are asking this one. This one. And CAD. CAD. This angle they are asking. Next ADC. ADC. So this. Four angles they are asking, provided they give only 20 degrees. So first one, so in order to do this problem, you need to know basics. That is, if two lines are parallel, alternate angles are equal, then that's it. And again 10th class theorems, angles in the same segment, then some properties like that. Angles formed at the center of circle is double the angle formed at any point on the remaining. That one you need to apply here. Next, see here, if this is 20 degrees, what can you say about this one? 20 degrees, no? Alternate angles. Since CD is parallel to AO, CD is parallel to AO, therefore angle, apply three letters, DC, angle DCA is equal to angle CAO. Both are equal to 20, right? So that's it. Next one. OA is equal to OC. Do you agree with me? OA is equal to OC. Why? Because radii of the circle. OA is equal to OC. If this is 20, this is also 20 degrees. Correct? OA is equal to OC, radii of the circle, this one. So consider this triangle OCA. If this is 20, base angles are 20, right? Now OC is equal to OD, right? OC is equal to OD. Again radii of the circle, OC is equal to OD. You have to write all the steps. OC is equal to OD is equal to OA. OC, OD, OA and O. That's it. These are all the radii of the circle. So therefore they are equal. OC is equal to OD. This angle is, and therefore this becomes isosceles triangle. If this angle is 40, total angle is 40, so this angle is 40. Right? So 40 plus 40, 80. Sum of the angles of a triangle 180. 40 plus 40 is 80. So this angle is 100 degrees. Right? Next one. So what they are asking, some conditions they are asking. Next, what else we can find? So this angle is 40, right? Next one. Let us see angle BOC. This we did not find. So here, you see here, this angle BOC and angle BAC. BOC, this one. BOC, they are lying on the same arc, right? And BAC, they are lying, this angle is lying on this arc and BAC is lying on this arc. So here angle formed at the center of circle is double the angle formed at any point on the remaining part of the circle. If this is 20 degrees, so this will be 40. Or else you can prove that angle, alternate angle. If this is 40, this is 40, Z shape. If this is 40, this angle is 40. Or else you can go for this one. Angle formed at the center of circle is double the angle formed at any point. This one arc I am saying, and again this arc. So this is the center of circle. So angle BOC is double the angle formed at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Right? So this angle BOC is equal to, so what you can say is 2 times angle OAC. 2 times angle AOC is equal to angle BOC. Right? So this is 2 times 2 into AOC. AOC, what is it? Not AOC, OAC. 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 If this is 20, so this will be 40. Center of the. By theorem, angle formed at the center is double the angle formed at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So once this is over, this for this angle this becomes R. So this is 20, this will be 40, right? Next. Again, total angle, straight angle, no, straight angle measures 180. If this is 100, this is 40. Straight angle measures how much? Straight angle, no, this one, this plus this plus this. 100 plus 40 plus 40, 180 degrees, right? So 100 plus 40 plus 40 is 180 degrees. Now, let us come back to this, what they are asking, BOC. BOC, already we calculated. So you have to write here, angle formed at the center of circle is double the angle formed at any point on the remaining for this form. So BOC is over COD. COD. Already we calculated COD. This is also over. Next, CAD. This is not over. ADC. This is also not over. This is not over. This is also not over. So here, you look at here, OD is equal to, here what I am saying is, consider triangle ODA, right? Consider triangle OAD. Triangle OAD, right? OAD. This triangle you consider. In this triangle already it is 40, right? So the other two angles should be 140, no? Or you saying sum of the angles of a triangle 180. Angle OAD. Consider triangle OAD. This triangle you consider. Angle AOD plus angle DAO plus angle ODA is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of the angles of triangle. Here this is angle AOD. AOD is 40 plus 40 plus angle DAO plus angle ODA. Angle DAO plus angle ODA is equal to 180 degrees. So transfer this one. So this angle is equal to DAO plus angle ODA is equal to 140. Now here if you see what you have written, OD is equal to OA, right? OD is equal to OA. So base angles are equal. So that means if this is 140, so these two angles are equal. When it is possible, when it is 70, 70. 70 plus 70 is 140. 140 plus 40 is 180. So since OD is equal to OA, since OD is equal to OA, radii of the circle, so therefore angle DAO is equal to angle ODA. DAO, ODA, both angles are same, right? So both are equal to 70 degrees now. Why 70? 70 plus 70, 140. 140 plus 40 is 180. So already here 20 degrees is there. So this angle should be 50. Right? What I am saying is this angle I have written now, DAO, ODA both are equal to 70. But angle DAO is equal to 70 degrees. When it is possible? When already it is one angle is 20 degrees. 20 plus this angle is 20 plus how much? 50. How this 50 means? 20 plus, when you add this and this, the result should be 15. The result should be 70. So 20 plus angle CAD. 20 plus angle CAD is equal to 70. So bring this one angle CAD. So this one is equal to 50 degrees. So it's a lengthy process, but it is very, very simple. So this angle is 50. So this angle is 70. Why? Because see here, OD is equal to OA, radii of the circle, this one. Radii of the circle. So if this angle is 70, so this angle will be 70. Now come back to this, what they are asking, CAD. CAD, this already is 50. I have written here. CAD is equal to 50 degrees. 70 minus 50. So this is also over. Next, angle ADC. ADC. ADC is where? ADC is 70 plus 40. ADC, how will you get? ADC, this angle plus this angle. So 70 plus 40 is 110. So that's how this problem ends. Very, very interesting. And it's a little bit complicated. Not complicated, you have to consider sum of triangles of a triangle every time while doing this problem. You have to consider radii of the circle. They are equal. So thank you students. Have a nice day. And please click on the blue color icon button to subscribe my channel. Share these videos with your friends so that they will also get knowledge from this. Please refer to the circles chapter basics from what I have taught from starting class onwards. So this problem already I said, it is very simple. You have to consider sum of triangles of triangle, alternate angles, only that concept, and radii of the circle. Only in one case I have used angle formed, angle in the same segment, angle formed double at the center. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.